Hello everyone, mabuhay. My name is Glyza Delesa, a BSHM student and a first year college. Today, I'll be talking about my role in a globalized world and how it affects my daily life as a Filipino student. For me, globalization is about the free flow of ideas, cultures, and economics across the world. One positive effect of globalization that I've observed is the growth of social media, which has connected me with friends and family who live abroad like my mom. It's amazing how I can stay updated on their lives and share my own experiences with them in real life. And one negative effect that I've noticed is the homogenization of cultures, where local traditions and values are being lost in the process of adapting Western customs. As a Filipino, I think it's essential to preserve our unique cultural identity while still being open to new ideas and influences. As a global citizen, I believe that it's essential to be aware of the impact of my action that I can take is to support local businesses and artisans rather than buying from large multinational corporations. By doing so, I'm helping to preserve traditional crafts and skills while also promoting economic growth in my community. As Mahatma Gandhi said, "Be the change you wish to see in the world. Let's work together to create a more just, equitable, and sustainable world for all." Thank you, and mabuhay.